What's up YouTube? It's your boy Tim coming back at you with another YouTube video, and welcome to TA Vlogs. If this is your first time checking out the channel, I would like to say welcome, and if you guys could, please smash that like button, hit the subscribe button. All of that does help with the YouTube algorithm and helps boost my video to more and more people. So thank you to every single one of you guys that do that on all my videos. You guys are much appreciated. And yes, I decided to switch up the recording. I was getting a little bit tired of just sitting down in front of that desk with y'all. I want to stand up, be a little bit more animated, get some different angles and switch up the vibes. And today we do have a pretty dope sneaker to review for you guys. Now this is not my personal sneaker. I was able to hit on the sneakers app for my nephew in his size, but you know, he blessed us and let us review the sneaker for you guys. So without further ado, let's get into today's video. So like I said, today we are reviewing a sneaker, a pretty fire one in my opinion. Now I haven't seen this one in hand just yet, so we're gonna get my first initial reaction and all of that. But before we get into that, FedEx, what y'all doing, bruh? I know y'all were peeking in my box. FedEx, y'all some thieves. But listen, it feels like the shoes are in here, feels like it. So hopefully the FedEx driver didn't switch out his pair for what was inside of the box. Now, like I said, I was able to hit this pair for retail for my nephew on March 4th. Yes, Saturday, March 4th. Retail was $225 and resale is sitting at about... Yes, they just dropped out the bottom. Alright, now that we got the shoes that just dropped at the bottom. Retail was $225 and resale is sitting at about $250, $260 on StockX and GOAT. So about 300 bucks after fees. And as you guys can tell by the box, we're talking about the Air Jordan 5 in the UNC colorway. So here for the box, traditional Air Jordan 5 box, we have the University Blue on the Jumpman right there, black top. And we have some more of that University Blue on the bottom of the box itself. Right here, we did go with a size 10.5. Like I said, this is for the nephew, not for me. And let's see, I've been seeing a lot of hype about this shoe. A lot of people have been talking about the quality is really good on this pair, and I'll be the judge of that. And boom, okay, so right away we get hit with that University Blue. Leather on here feels really good. The quality on here does feel really good. It's more of a suede, leather, not like a nubuck, a really soft suede. That smell is beautiful. I like the inside. I like the guts right here around the ankle collar. Different material, different design. Okay, so this is basically modeled after the UNCPE Air Jordan 5, but unfortunately we don't have that UNC logo right there. They do give us this patch, and to be honest with you guys, I'm not the biggest fan of this patch on the heel portion. I'd rather have had the Jumpman Nike Air. Anything other than this heel logo, I don't know, I'm just not a big fan of that logo. That's what kills the shoe for me, basically. The shoe is beautiful. Air Jordan 5, I'm a huge fan of the Air Jordan 5. UNC colorway, you cannot go wrong. It's a beautiful shoe. I just hate that they add that right there. So let's go over some of the details on the shoe itself. So for the uppers, it is entirely UNC blue. A nice, or a really nice soft suede. You get the shoe wet and it's going to destroy it. But nevertheless, we're going to go over the midsole. We do have a black, white, and speckled powdered blue midsole right there. Going for the outsole, it is a black outsole, translucent as well, with that blue University Blue Jumpman right there as well. Blue laces to match the University Blue of the shoe. And then for the tongue, the traditional Air Jordan 5 tongue, you know, the metallic silver. Looking at the insoles, we do have an all blue insole with a white Jumpman. I will try to get that for you, but it is kind of tucked in there really tight. You know, they lace up the Air Jordan 5 really tight. And then for the lace lock, we do have a semi-translucent blue lace lock. And looking at the back of it, you know where it says Air Jordan. Now we have one that says Soul. And I'm guessing, if I'm right, it's going to say heart. Let's see. Yes, I am correct. So on the back of the tongue, we do have heart on one. And on the other, it says soul. Y'all can see that? I hope y'all can see that. So, pretty dope. And as all Air Jordan 5s have, we do have that see-through caging right there in the middle. Not to be honest with you guys, this shoe is pretty fire. Looking at it, touching it, feeling it. It is really nice. Like I said, the materials are amazing. Now I'm going to go over quality control to see any glue stain, paint marks, chips, anything like that. Now, looking over my personal pair, I'm not speaking for every pair, I don't see too many glue stains. I see one right around the midsole, which is to be expected. You know, Jordan Brand doesn't have the best quality control on these bigger GR releases. But to be honest with you, I would say pretty good. I would say a 9 out of 10 on quality control on my personal pair. Alright guys, and as you guys know, on this channel we give every shoe a rating from 1 to 10. And honestly, these are going to be a lot higher than what I initially thought I would give them. I'm going to give these a solid 8.2. Now, is this something I'm going to add into my collection? Not right away. Maybe if I can find a used pair, maybe a new pair for a steal, I might add these to the collection maybe sometime down the line. But as of right now, a solid shoe, just not one that's going to be in my collection. And if you could pick this up for retail and you guys are into the Air Jordan 5s and you guys need a UNC colorway to complete that collection, I would say this is a great shoe at a great price if you hit it for retail. Alright guys, well, that's going to wrap up today's video. I want to get that quick review up for you guys. Let me know in the comment section below, what do you guys rate the Air Jordan 5 UNC from 1 to 10? And if you guys could, please hit the subscribe button if you are new here. And if you enjoyed today's video, make sure you smash that like button. Don't forget to show your boy some love on TikTok and Instagram. I'll make sure to put both of those links down in the description box below. And if you guys are looking to join up on a Discord, I would really recommend my Discord. Top link down in the description box below. Come through, show some love as we continue to grow the community over there. Alright guys, so I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Hope you guys like the vibes. We got some room for activities now. I can move around, I can talk to you guys. We're gonna be working on the lighting, working on the camera angle, making sure everything is A1 for you guys. And I'm super excited to continue this journey with you guys. My sneaker collecting, my vlogging, all the videos. So I appreciate all you guys. And it's gonna be your boy Tim signing out. Peace.